This is balot.
Why?
You know this one?
Yes.
You need to sip.
See? Like that?
Yeah, this is duck. Duck. Maybe. Get move ka there. Ouch. I need a salt and vinegar. Mali.
That's a duck.
Yes.
It's the duck again.
Naiyan na may camera na doon.
Guys, I'm eating balot. This one from Philippines. You want this? You want the taste?
No.
This is the maybe
Duck.
look the monster.
Naglulutongan.
No.
This is what is this?
Monster? It's a monster.
Monster. See? You see the eyes?
Yeah.
Nah, it's not. This is so yummy, man. When you go, you will eat like this. Okay?
That's a monster.
No. See, guys.
It's a monster eyes. I see the eyes.
It's so small.
No, no eating monster.
It's okay. This one.
I taste.
You want to taste? No.
Yes.
Ang sakit mo.
Why?
Your tummy will hurt.
Why?
Because it's night time na. It's not good for the baby.
Why?
It's night time.
Why you eating monster eyes?
Because it's yummy.
No eating.
It's okay. I have powers.
Powers? I have powers pa. To eat pa that was. I can eat.